Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Miles Morales in a close-up view. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Miles Morales, let's begin with the top of the head. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a line that's just going to come across and then down like this. Next, I'm going to bring this line down on each side, just for the sides of the head. Next, we're going to curve this in on each side to kind of form out the jaw. And let's give it a nice little curve to connect it right here for the chin. I'm going to make a little half curve shape kind of right here, or a little half oval shape on each side for the ears. I'll draw a little sad face at the top and a little curve shape inside of here for a little bit of detail inside the ears. Now let's work on the eyes. I'm going to start here and let's make a sad face right here for one of the eyes. We'll leave some space and we'll do the same thing right here for the other eye. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, over, and we're going to bring it up. Same thing here, we're going to go down, over, and then bring it up. I'm going to add a nice big circle shape inside of here for the detail inside of the eyes. I'll make a small circle kind of towards the top for the pupil. And then I'll make another circle inside of here. And we'll color this in for the pupil. I'm going to make a little curved line on each side to start the nose. And then I'll draw a little curved line on each side here for the sides. I'll make a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go back up over here. With a little sad face right here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down, and it's going to come over like this. Make a little line that's going to come down and up for the bottom of the lip. And then we'll make a little line that's going to go up, down, it's going to come back up and down for the top of the lips. Next, let's make a little line right above the top of each eye. And then for the eyebrow, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up here, and then it's going to come back down. Then I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to kind of go down, and then I'll bring it back up here. Now for the hair, he's going to have some pretty curly hair, and it's going to be kind of tall. So you just want to make some little bumps that are some different sizes, and we're just going to bring these all around. And then we're just going to bring them back down to here. Now for the neck, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and out. And same thing here, I'm going to go down and out. And then I'm just going to connect it with a little smile. We'll draw two lines in here with a little curve. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to curve it around here for part of his hood. Same thing here, we're just going to come up, curve it around, and then bring it over. I want to make lines going to come out, and then in, and then same thing here, we're going to come out, and then in. We'll do another one here. We'll come out and bring this down. Same thing here. We're going to come out and bring it down for the hood. Then we'll make 2 lines that just come down here for the shoulders. And there you go. There is your drawing of Miles Morales. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.